Cajun Gumbo. Prepare the ingredients. Finely dice 1 onion, finely slice 2 garlic cloves, finely dice 2 celery sticks, chop 1 green capsicum and 1 cup of sweet potato into bite-sized pieces. Puree 5 tomatoes in a blender. Heat a pot over a high heat, add the onion and garlic and saute until golden brown. Add half a cup of water and stir to deglaze the pan. Add the celery, capsicum, sweet potato and 1½ cups of cooked red kidney beans. Add 1 tablespoon of Tabasco sauce, 2 sprigs of fresh thyme and the spices. Stir well. Add 1/4 cup of whole wheat flour and stir. Add the pureed tomatoes and 2 cups of vegetable stock and stir well. Bring to the boil, reduce the heat and simmer until the sweet potato is soft and the mixture thickens. Add salt and pepper to taste and serve.